Well, I was walking into my appointment when my partner called me and said he heard a big bang and I should come home and see the roof. And the porch roof was sitting on top of the house roof. It looked as if a giant had flipped this thing up on top of the house, and it was lodged on top of the antenna and the chimney. It must have been a really big burst of wind that did it, because it tore it completely off the roof, off the porch and up onto the roof. Well, the roof obviously has damage to it. The shingles are going to be lifted up, and we really don't know all the extent of it yet. These guys are just the emergency crew that comes out to help patch up any openings and everything, because the weather's supposed to turn bad tonight.
Load some of that stuff if you can. Well, you got the sawzall down there. You need to get it? Right here. Oh, okay, you got a rope? That's good. Throw us one. You don't know where to tie it. It's good. I get this. No, this. Got him around?
Behind you, John.
Alright. Piece of cake. Hang on. Alright, what do we got here? Lucky. First the rub's on, then we'll pull it a little bit. Yeah. Right out of horns. He got it. Let John, you got a bolt. Rocks.